We've got the Qatar 777 coming in now. Another wonderful aircraft, possibly my favourite, with a wing wobble there. Awesome, beautiful aircraft. The size of those engines, monsters. Head out and get them both in the same shot here if I can. The A380 is just to my right. There we go, look at that. What? Awesome. Here we've got the other beast, the old 777 gliding down taxiway Alpha. Past us at the old runway visitor park. Awesome. I'm just going to pan over to the left hand screen now. There we go. You can probably hear with the wind, it's a little bit chill water today. See if it gives a wave. Not a bad job, lads.